Okay, guys, one of the biggest losers today is GWAV. I want to talk about what I see on the daily chart, talk about where this can go. I think we're setting up for an explosive move up. Everything I'm looking at, it looks good. But I want to show you guys, I want to show you guys, when I make these videos, and if you're not part of my Discord and you don't understand my rules of accumulation, and understand, how price works and how this strategy works, you really do need to join because I'm not just, when I alert a price, and when you get in, there is proper accumulation rules. And if you go on my Discord, everyone needs to watch this. This will right here get you out of very situations because you can't control what the market does overnight. So with this swing trading at style, you need to watch how to properly accumulate my reversals. If you're in my Discord, it's very cheap. It's $12 to access everything. And I promise you, you will be a profitable trader. That's a guarantee. I have not lost a single trade in over 7 months now, and I perfected it to be, it's not to brag, it's just to say this strategy works. So, join the Discord, links down below in the YouTube comments. But what I want to show you guys is just a confidence booster, not to pump, but just to say this is where we're at for GWAV. And if you guys know my system, when we're at the ATR4, which is this bottom band here, this is where price tends to revert to. I said in the Discord, I'm going to get a starter ad at the very low here. Now we had this little gap, and I am on ad number 2, accumulation number 2. This looks very nice. Usually I don't see much ATR4s, but when it does, it is a very, very strong buy. Not only because of the ATR4, it's because of 2, we have look at the trend, guys. Price has been respecting this for a while. And if once we draw this out and you find something that makes sense, you will see, not this one, if we go higher up, you will see that we're at a very, very bullish channel here. If you do the top of this channel here, and you'll see that this right here realigns with this. It's extremely bullish. And not only is we doing it based on this alone, so we had the ATR4, we have the bottom trend channel getting touched, and you can see just because of that alone is what's making this wick go up, right? And then the next thing we have is the EMA5 conservative bounce, which is at $1 range. EMA10 is at 121, and then the EMA20 is at 1.50. So I don't suspect we'll hit the EMA20 anytime soon when it has this big distance, but it should be hitting roughly in about 2 to 3 weeks, in my honest opinion. Could that be at the $1 mark? It'll still be massive gain, even if it is, for our example, because the EMA20 is like losing 10 cents. It's losing about 10 cents, but it'll be totally fine. Because if you look at the EMA20, we are due, and if you guys know my system, I like to look for the extreme levels on EMA20. It's due for a touch. 528 is the last touch. Our current data says 802, 628, 728. That's 2 months and a couple of days. This is one of the very few penny stocks that I see as at an ATR4. That is your bottom green band here. And as you can see, we have not been there in a while. The last time we've done it, was about probably right in here. We tried to get to it, and we had this massive bounce to the EMA20. So when it does it, it's a very effective strategy. And it's just very nice. You can see it when it tries to get really close, it just freaking goes up, guys. So this is a really nice strategy. I call it the band strategy. We use time distance, so that way we could draw the trend channel here. We have a nice solid trend channel. I suspect we should go up here and at least retest the EMA 5 and 10. If you have a good average like me, like I have a 0.72 or 3 cent average, which is not too bad, and I will be looking to scale in more on Monday, if we have a little thing down, because like I said, guys, you have to watch the accumulation video. If you understand how I'm doing these accumulations, it would make totally perfect sense. You understand, we don't just buy every dip on GWAV. GWAV, it goes down, 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 down. Don't be like that. Let the market have its day. The market was terrible. We're not buying every dip. We're only buying the areas that matter. And that's what makes successful traders from other traders that just spend all their cash on one day and they have no risk management. And they're like, I have $5,000. I put it all on GWAV on one day. Like, come on. You're telling me you're going to get the absolute bottom price on GWAV to a T at 59.17. You have no more money to accumulate dips, and you think it's going to go up at that absolute bottom price. You're nuts. That's don't think like that. You'll lose on penny stocks all the time because they're very volatile. What I do know is one, we're at a ATR4. We're at the bottom trend channel. I'm accumulating properly. We haven't touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 daily candles. Anything that doesn't touch in 7 candles is extremely long. And so I would suspect literally an EMA 5 very soon or an EMA 10. That is literally probably the most conservative targets I can give you that can make pretty good money. If it hits 1.20, guys, from this area, from my literally average, is it going to matter here? I mean, 1.20, you're looking at a 64% return to the EMA 20. If it just goes to a buck, I'm looking at a 36% return. Totally fine with that, and no problemo. Most people don't make that, and they lose. Over 90% of traders lose. You got to have a system, guys. Don't freak out and get emotional on me when a stock goes down. Did you follow your rules? What system are you using? If you bought GWAV way over $1, all throughout here, it's because this system has never told us to buy here. We're at the middle channel here. There's nothing here to alert. We're so close to the MA5. We're so far away from the ATR4, and we want to look for that time distance to the MA20. I like this stock. You guys do what you got to do. But like I said, I'm using a trading system that has not given me a loss in over 7 months. So I hope that gives you great, tremendous confidence that this thing works. We're at the ATR4, which is the bottom green band. We can go well over and hit this upper trend channel, which I think is very probable once this dust clears. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you're more than likely to join. You can understand how I get in. You can understand my entries, my exits, and my rules of accumulating, and how to understand how to find trend reversals. We get in early, we accumulate the dips, and you sell the rips. It's literally that easy for swing trading. There's really not much to it. The day trading is a little more advanced, but I make massive money doing day trades. I love it, and it's awesome. I don't have to worry about the swinging overnight, but if you're swinging like GWAV, you got to understand this type of beast. If you guys want to join, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. I'll have it pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord. When you come on in, there will be a how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, if you're an Android user, please use your computer to subscribe, or use your phone browser, not the app. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you first. Feel free to read the testimonies. Lots and lots of people understand this strategy and have transformed negative accounts to positive accounts. And I know everyone can do it. Hit the top left on Server Shop, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. Swing Trading Plus and Day in Swing Trading Plus. I've been doing this for, a couple years, and I refinanced to where I think everyone can do it. It's very simple. It's very user-friendly, and this strategy will get you out of that hole, guys. I've been in situations where I'm like, man, I've been buying GWAV way up in the $1.70 range. I would have never bought GWAV. We never buy at the EMA 5 and 10. That is a big resistance area. That's where a lot of algos take it. And I don't care how crappy this stock is. Now that once this market sentiment overfolds, we'll go back to the 5 and 10 and the 20, and because the algos will take it. And then it can go wherever it wants. I'm out of the stock by then, and I made my massive money. If you guys want to trade, $12 a month, and it will unlock all of these channels here to the left, and it's very user-friendly. If you do subscribe, it's do it on your computer. It'll ignore the iOS fee, and I highly encourage to join the day trading community. Do the $12 a month, and you will learn. I'm telling you a lot of stuff that you just never, thought about. Day trading education, day trade alerts. One of our alerts went from 1.11 all the way to 1.90 on options in a matter of 10 minutes. That's the power of day trading, guys. RTK Journal, you can see the actual things I'm in. You can see it. GWAV 73-cent average. Accumulation number 2. You can see my price target, 1.20s. You can see my notes of why I take it. Day trades, you can see the constant wins. I did 2 trades today, 19%, 10%. 3 trades yesterday, a 20%, 60%, and a 16%. Another trade, 16, and it just goes on. And this is this journal here, and we're just cycling in wins and wins and wins. And that's how you can get out of out of your 9-to-5 job and have a strategy that works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, GWAV. I just want to do a little confidence booster. If you guys are in this, first, watch the accumulation video, guys. Because when the market has like a COVID depression, or whatever, this big market drop, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna, you gotta have a backup plan, and that's what it's about, guys. So I really have great potential in this. Very, very little risk for the bulls here, and we'll see where it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you decide to join the Discord. I will make you a profitable trader, and I guarantee that. And also, if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about GWAV. Let me know what your average is, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Peace out.